Hello and welcome back to Get Fit by 50. I'm Mark Lee. This is my week 31 Get Fit by 50 weight loss results video. And if this is your first time watching Get Fit by 50, then please hit like on this video and also click that subscribe button so you can be notified of new videos. And please follow me on all the social media links in the description below. You should also binge watch all the previous episodes to get caught up. All right, so last week during the Goobers week, not boogers, week 30, I lost 4.2 pounds for a total of 71.2 pounds in 30 weeks. That's a good chunk of weight, and it's about time. But let's see what I did on week 31. On Wednesday, I started the week out with 8,797 in steps. And yeah, I went to Hooterville this week and did the bourbon and Coke thing. And then I wound up at Buffalo Wild Wings drinking beer and eating cauliflower wings, which they're pretty damn good. But I probably shouldn't have got the new blazing Carolina Reaper sauce on them because it's pretty damn hot, because the cauliflower basically is way more absorbent than the chicken. So, you know, and then I also ate some potato wedges and wound up knocking out 3,609 calories on that Wednesday. Remember, you can see everything that I eat each day in the MyFitnessPal online diary, and that link's also in the description below. You can see what I eat. I eat all kinds of good stuff, and I'm still losing weight most of the time. On to Thursday. Thursday, I weighed in at 269 pounds flat, pre-poo. That's my new lowest weigh-in. That's excellent. But you know the spike's coming from all that crap I ate yesterday. But I did 9,725 in steps, and I ate 2,014 in calories, which is another higher calorie day. But a client sent me a Domino's gift card for 25 bucks, so you know I had to order some pizza, right? They've been running these ads for these cheeseburger pizzas, and they also got a chicken taco pizza. So, of course, I got one of each, and I had it for dinner. I shared it with my parents, but it still went a couple days with 2 large pizzas, and they actually both tasted pretty good. And, oh yeah, with the cookie brownie for dessert, so that's also not good. Shame on me. All right, so bad Thursday. Let's see if I screwed up on a Friday. Friday, I weighed in at 271.4 pounds pre-poo. So let's just let the spiking begin. I did 7,313 in steps, and calories, 3,039. Yeah, I'd eat more pizza for lunch, and then my friend Kim twisted my arm to go back to Buffalo Wild Wings. Even though I was there Wednesday, she wanted to go, and she said she'd buy me a couple beers, so I'm not turning down free beer. And again, I also ate cauliflower wings and potato wedges again there, so that's 3 days in a row over 2,000 calories. Not good, not good. All right, Saturday, I weighed in at 273 pounds pre-poo. Another spike. Yep. I wonder why. But I did 13,831 in steps because I got up this morning and I decided I want to see how many miles and how much time it would take me at my normal walking pace, about 3.5 miles an hour, to get to 10,000 steps all at one time. I just wanted to get 10,000 steps, see what it does, because I've never done that in one straight walk. And it wasn't too bad. You know, to get a little over 10,000 steps, it took me an hour and a half of walking, and did 5.3 miles, give or take. I just did my Saturday morning walk. I did 10,000 steps all at once. I wanted to see what that felt like and how long it took. Took me about an hour and a half, did 5.3 miles, got 10,000 steps. I really don't feel too bad. It's just more time, more walking. Didn't really put a dent in me. I think I could still walk some more, but I'm not going to. I got 10,000 steps all at once. Hell yeah. Happy Saturday. Have a good day. Not too bad, but was the punishment enough? I did, or ate 2,005 in calories. Just a smidge over 2,000 calories again, but I went to a friend's birthday lunch at Longhorn Steakhouse, my buddy Don, and ate me some crab and lobster chowder and got a 12-ounce ribeye with some asparagus. So happy birthday, Don. All right, on to Sunday. I weigh in at 273.4 pounds pre-poo. More weight spiking. This isn't looking good at all for this week. Hopefully the super duper power walk I did will save me later on. I did 7,320 in steps, and I ate 1,510 in calories on Sunday. And on to Monday. I weighed in at 271.4 pounds pre-poo, coming down. I did 6,983 in steps, and I only ate 1,427 in calories. I got to make up for some of these overages. And on to Tuesday. I weighed in at 270.6 pounds pre-poo. That's still above last week's weight right now on Tuesday. Not looking good for Wednesday, so let's see what happens. I did 8,109 in steps, and I ate only 1,225 in calories. All right, so we ended the week on Wednesday morning. I weighed in at 269.8 pounds pre-poo. I'm back into the 260s, but I don't think it's going to beat last week's weigh-in. So here's my stats for week 31. You can pause the video to look them over. I did steps totaling 62,078. I'll take that. Calories consumed was 14,829. That's a lot. You know, I crapped out 4 days in a row, over 2,000 calories. But it's only my third highest calories per week so far. And my total weight gained during week 31 was 0.4 of a pound. So I've lost, with the gain, a total of 70.8 pounds in 31 weeks. I may have celebrated hitting 70 pounds down last week a little too much this week, so no more celebrating. I got, you know, I still have 29.2 pounds to go right now to make my goal of at least 100 pounds down by the time I turn 50. That's only 21 weeks away. And my math says I have to lose at least 1.4 pounds a week to get to 100 pounds. And I really want to do more than 100 pounds. So I got to quit slacking or change something, because I definitely will get fit by 50. And I will lose 100 plus pounds, or maybe at least 100 right now, the way it's looking. But yeah, it's going to happen. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Be safe out there. Hit that subscribe button. And please, please, please remember to use your damn turn signals, people. Thanks for watching Get Fit by 50. Please subscribe to my channel and also follow us on the social links listed in the description below. And why don't you go ahead and watch another one of our videos.